Today we will learn everyday English expressions used in daily life. Grammar, no expression. English feels difficult because we ignore expressions. There are short sentences used in daily conversation. It's called expression. What's up? This expression is very common. It means how are you, not about the sky. What's up? Nothing much. This is how people use it. No worries. This is a polite and friendly reply. It means don't worry or it's okay. You can use it if someone says sorry to you, so you can reply no worries. It is very common in daily life. Sounds good. This expression shows agreement. Sounds good means I agree. It means yes, that is fine. If someone say let's meet at 5, so you can say sounds good instead of I agree. Expression means natural English. They make your English confident and natural. Like this detailed and easy lesson, subscribe to the English Strategist.